Everyone, my name is Chitra Goswami and this video is for the summary of lesson number 54 and the name of the lesson is consolidation. And the objective of the lesson is that students are going to incorporate the vocabulary learnt in previous lessons like, don't like or has or have or school related vocabulary into conversations. So for starting the lesson you are going to describe a student by using has or have and the other students have to guess which student the facilitator is describing. For example, you can describe students like Ritu has books. After a few rounds you can ask the volunteers to give descriptions. Second step, you are going to ask the students to open their SAB, lesson number 54, activity number A, and you are going to divide the students into groups of 3 or 4. The students have to discuss the image given in part A of the SAB and they can discuss any image out of the 3 images given in the SAB. And the students will be encouraged to use full sentences and to use the vocabulary that they have learned in previous lessons or being creative. You can also create a story from the image. After 10 to 15 minutes, you are going to call on one student from each group to share their discussion with the class. And you can try calling shy students from each group. After the presentations are done, you are going to ask the students to share their school experiences with a partner. They may also use the sentences given in part B of the SAB. After 5 minutes, the facilitator is going to ask the students to switch the partner and to repeat the activity. Energizer, in this lesson the facilitator can choose any energizer of their choice or the students can also vote for their favorite energizer to play. The second part of the lesson is career exploration 3 and for starting this lesson you are going to ask a few questions from the students. The first question is, how many career options do you think that students in India of age 14 to 21 know about? You are going to collect the responses and then you are going to share the answer, which is that according to a news site only 7. And the second question is, how many career options are available in India? And you are going to take responses for this question as well and then you are going to share the answer, which is more than 250. And the third question is, why is it important to know about different career options available? The third step, the students are going to work in pair and they are going to sit at the laptop. Then you will give instructions to them to open their SAB, lesson 54, part B. The goal of the students is to search online and they have to list 3 careers in the career fields in the SAB and they have to write the careers that are already not listed in the chart. After 15 minutes, you are going to call on each pair to share their responses and the repetition of the same response should be avoided. You can make it competitive by asking which pair has found the most number of careers or which pair has found the most unique careers. The students can turn to part B of the lesson 54 and they can research about the jobs that they want to know more about and they can finish filling the chart. After 10 to 15 minutes, the students can also switch their partner if required. Next step, the students are going to log in into their email ID and they are going to type what is one interesting career that you have learned about today. Once everyone has done, the students can switch places with each other and they can review each other's work. They can check for grammatical errors or the font size or they can also check for punctuation errors. Now you are going to conduct the stand up and sit down activity as given in the FRB. Then you can share your Duolingo feedback with the students and you can showcase some excitement and happiness while showing the progress of Duolingo with the students. You can acknowledge them for their hard work and their efforts and for them to keep going on in future, and you can also motivate them. Now you are going to conduct the home extension review as given in the FRB and you are going to acknowledge the students for what they did well in the session and you can conduct the pledge. Thank you so much.